Okay, it's totally amazing here. Now, shout outs first of all to Hanif and also to Jamie. I want to get straight into this. So, right. If you want photos taken, you know, of whatever it may be, weddings, people, backgrounds, parties, especially ones where you're drinking at the full liquor bar, yep, then Jamie's the one where you need to, you need to go and see him. His website's there, and it's pretty well put together. And that's jsphoto.co.uk. Like I said, whatever party it is, whether it be birthday parties, wedding parties, divorce parties, work parties, whatever it is, if you want photos taken, he's the one for you to go and see. Alright, so go check him out, jsphoto.co.uk. So, hi to you, Jamie. Right, I'm going to get straight into this with a not so innocent looking Galaxy Note 3. It's a little bit naughty, this one, and I'll show you why. Because, yeah, somebody's been playing around with ROMs on there. Well, if we go into our general, I've got to be careful what I'm showing you on here, but already you can see that I've enabled developer options there. I don't want to be showing you certain things, but as long as I'm not showing you a serial number, you're fine. But there you are. We've been playing about with that, and now what we can do is we can do something like this. Power the phone off, then what we're going to do is with the volume key, we're going to press the volume up, the power button and the home key. Oh, this most definitely is not normal. You'll see why. Ooh, we've got TWRP on there. That's the Team Win Recovery Project. Haven't I done well to get that on there? Now, what we can do is we can start to add things like custom ROMs. So I can go to install, or rather hit the back. I can't remember where it is now. I think it was install. There we are. And then I'm going to choose CyanogenMod. Yeah, I know by the way the green line's on there. I only paid £30 for the phone. So I've been playing around with this and it's been an absolute nightmare to get this on. But yeah, I weren't really too worried because if the phone had failed, and I weren't bothered with it anyway. But anyway, this is what we're going to do. So we're now going to go ahead and confirm that. I'm going to flash that. I don't know whether this one's going to work. Alright, well that's come back as an error. Okay. So we can try with a different one. We'll try with that. Aha. There we go. That's looking a bit better. So we're going to have CyanogenMod on there. And it says it's failed. Okay. Well, yeah, okay, it did. But the good news is what we can now do is potentially, now that I've managed to unlock the phone and I've got root, I can indeed put CyanogenMod on there. I actually need to sort that build out and then go and do that. But then that's going to enable me to do some interesting things with this device. in the way of hacking. So, yeah, I do need to sort that out. And just to confirm that I have got root on there, you can get this app called Root Checker. And I just need to verify that I've got root status. There you are. So root access is properly installed. So what I now need to do then is I need to go off and find the correct boot ROM and then flash that over. It might be though, what I might have done wrong, I'm just going to verify this. Sometimes you need to clear cache partitions as well. Cache, cac. It's definitely cac. So I'll try that again. Now if you do try this, obviously I'm not responsible for whatever you do and it goes wrong. So if you brick your device, or you start nuclear war, or if you somehow manage to turn the alarm off on your device and then you're late for work, don't come complaining to me about it, because I'll just laugh at you. It's not my problem. Alright. Okay, settings. Right, okay. See, I've not used TWRP in Samsung before. Right, I don't know why that's on, so we can set that as London time anyway. I've never used it in Samsung before. But right, use 24-hour clock. We'll do that anyway. I think. I'm not standing still, am I? I think that's really about it. I can go into terminal. Oh great, I've got wasps in here again. I thought I heard something buzzing above my head, so I'm going to have to go and kill that in a minute as well. Right, so yeah, I can do Adb Side Loading as well. That'll be interesting. So yeah, theoretically I can do that. Right, I need to... That's what I wanted to do. Wipe Dalvik cache and then wipe the normal one. So I can do that. That'll start the side load, and then possibly, yeah, okay, then I might be able to push the Cyanogen mod onto it that way. We'll see. I'll just give this a few moments. Also, if you are going to attempt something like that, make sure your battery life's up. I have no idea how the hell this is going to turn out. I've done this on tablets before, but not on one of these. That CPU temperature's getting a bit warm and all. Oh, it is. But okay. I don't know what that's going to do. I don't even know how long that's likely to take. But I can now definitely get Linux on there as well, so potentially I can start to do things like get terminal on there as well. And if I can do that, then I really am laughing, because then theoretically I can chuck on my own OS on there as well. So that's something else I'll be looking at doing at some point probably. Just wondering if I should cancel that. It's not really doing anything. And the CPU temperature's just climbing instead. I don't really want this thing going thermonuclear in my hands. It is getting quite warm as well. But, yeah, I'll try and cancel that. Side load complete. Yeah, well, we're not really that worried. Right, well, we'll try and reboot it and see what happens. Just reboot system. one or two things will happen. It'll either work or won't. It looks like it's going to work on that, but... Well, there we are. What I'm going to do is in a second video, I'm going to show how we progress with that, and then hopefully I'll have a nice device that I can be using for hacking. So, well, ethical hacking, should we say. But, yeah, so that's that. I'm going to go and have a play and see what we can do about that. And I also need to charge that up as well. Alright, well, until the next time, thanks for watching.